salt the mushrooms and wait 2-3 minutes. Cut the mushrooms into slices, as the thinner the piece, the crispier the mushrooms will be. Heat up a frying pan and add a lot of oil. Roll each mushroom in flour on both sides and then put in a pan. Mushrooms should be almost deep fried. Flip the mushrooms every 1.5 minutes. After 6 minutes, the mushrooms can be removed from the stove. Put the mushrooms on a napkin to absorb excess oil. Now prepare the sauce. Finely chop the dill and chop the garlic. A garlic press will make the task easier. Mix the dill, garlic and sour cream and add spices. After mixing, you'll get an incredibly tasty sauce for cooked mushrooms. Crispy, fragrant mushrooms with a light and tasty sauce. Simple, but very tasty meal. Thanks for watching and enjoy your meal.